You and I are not the same, but we are equals. Oh, sorry. Grammar here, and today's topic is equal versus same. Okay, let's take a look at equal. Equal used as a verb. We're going to use it basically when we're referring to mathematics, like this example. 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay? Now let's take a look at equal as an adjective. Equal as an adjective basically means the same in all respects. That is, in size, in value, in amount, and in rights. And let's take a look at this example. We are all created as equal people. That means as people, we have the same value, we have the same rights, etc. So this is when we're going to use equal. Now let's take a look at same. Same as an adjective, we'll compare it with equal as an adjective, means not different. So here I have an example. I have the same name as my father. Now if you notice, here I'm using the. So basically I'm going to use the with same. So one more time. I have the same name as my father, which means that it's not a different name. Okay, so as we can see, when we're referring to mathematics and referring to this symbol, we're going to use equals. When we're referring to equal as an adjective, it means the same in all respects. But when we're using the same as an adjective, it's going to refer to not different, like this example. So don't forget that with same, you're going to use the. And, well, equal versus same is easy peasy, super breezy.